This is the Nintendo Wii. It's one of the most legendary consoles, but it has a big problem in 2026. You can't actually connect it to anything. It has no HDMI port, so it's basically useless now. But in this video, we will discuss how you can use this $5 adapter to turn your Wii into a smart Wii that it can play games on anything, including TVs, projectors, or computer monitors. First, let's unbox this simple $5 adapter. Inside the box, it's just the Wii to HD TV adapter, nothing else. Now, let's plug it in. The first step is to take the Wii to HDMI adapter and put it into the AV multi-audio video out port. Next, we will take our HDMI cable and plug it in. This adapter also has an audio jack. The audio gets transmitted to the HDMI cable as well. Next, we will plug in the receiver bar and lastly, the power cable. Now, let's test it on my projector and see how it is. It's running. We can play games now on a modern projector. It's as simple as that.